Yes, class 9, welcome. This video will talk about exercise 8.1 example 5 and example 6. First example 5. Read properly. Show that if diagonals of quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at 90 degrees, then it is a square. Okay, so what is given? Quadrilateral. What to show? It is square. So whatever is to show, if it is square, then draw square. If it is shown, so it is rhombus, then draw rhombus. Remember this. Okay. जो दिखाना है वो draw कर दो. Right? Now name not given, we will take name PQRS. Okay. Now see, they are taking diagonals, draw diagonals. With that point O. I will write given. See, in quadrilateral PQRS, what is given? Diagonals are equal. QS equal to PR, and they bisect each other. Means SO equal to OQ, and PO equal to OR. SO equal to OQ. PO equal to OR. Okay, and also see PR perpendicular QS. We wrote whatever is given in example. Okay, students. See, I drew square because we are going to show it is square. Because square is also quadrilateral, right? Now to show or to prove PQRS is a square. PQRS is square. Now, if we are going to show it is square, first we have to show its all sides are equal. Very simple. See, you take these two triangles, POS and ROS. See now, prove. In triangle POS and triangle ROS. If I am asking you to prove these triangles are congruent, see this is 90 degrees, yes or no? This side equal to this side. This side is common. Let's see side, angle side, side, angle side. SAS 2. Write down SAS 2. SAS. I am writing SO equal to SO. Angle POS to the angle ROS equal to 90 degrees. This is all given to you. Yes or no? See now again what which side is left? PO equal to RO. So all are given to you. Clear, students? Therefore, triangle POS congruent triangle ROS. SAS rule. Got it? SAS rule, they are congruent means we got it now. PS equal to RS. Therefore, PS equal to RS. Number 1. Okay. Now, see. We will take other two triangles. Either these two triangles or these two triangles. Can you show these two triangles are congruent? By SAS rule. Yes. See. SO equal to OQ. Angle equal to angle and degree because they are perpendicular. PO equal to RO again by SAS. Now see, in triangle POS and triangle QOR or ROQ. SAS rule again. We got it. See, SO equal to QO angle SOP equal to angle QOR equal to 90 degree, right? And which side is left? PO equal to RO. All these things are again given to you. Given to you. Therefore, triangle POS congruent triangle ROQ by SAS rule. Therefore, what you got the PS equal to RQ. Number 2. See, from 1 and 2, we got PS equal to RS, PS equal to RQ, means PS equal to RS equal to RQ. You got all these three sides are equal. Then children, all of you see. Therefore, PS equal to RS equal to RQ. We have proved these three sides are equal. Yes or no? If these three sides are equal, then similarly we can prove RS equal to PQ. Similarly, RS equal to PQ. And if all four sides are equal, it is rhombus. Therefore, PQRS is rhombus. Got it? We proved it's all sides equal, rhombus. Now only it's left to show that angle is 90 degree or these diagonals are equal. Got it? Now this thing, which two triangles should be taken so that we can prove. Okay? Yes. If I am taking, see, very important, students are forgetting here. If I am taking this one triangle PSR, okay, and RQP, see properly, a triangle PSR and triangle RQP. Yes, what it? PSR, RQP. We have proved it is rhombus, so all sides are now equal. So this side equal to this side equal to this side, and if it is rhombus, opposite angles are equal. Yes or no? So angle is equal to angle Q. By side, angle side, these triangles are congruent. Again we will try. SAS. See, PS equal to RQ, angle S equal to angle Q. Support opposite angles equal. Because we have proved rhombus. In rhombus, opposite angles are equal. Other side, what is left? SR equal to QP. Right? Opposite sides equal. A rhombus we have proved. Opposite sides equal. All sides are equal. And therefore, now we can show, this shows that PR equal to S. Simplicity. See now. This is very important. PR equal to SQ. Simplicity. If diagonals are equal in rhombus, then that is square. Remember it. So from this property of rhombus, we have proved that given quadrilateral is rhombus and its diagonals are equal. Now see, diagonals of rhombus are equal. This implies diagonals of rhombus are equal. Therefore, PQRS is a square. Therefore, PQRS is square. Got it? So in this example, first show it is rhombus, then prove its diagonals are equal. So any rhombus with equal diagonals is square. This is property of rhombus. Okay, students, you see the video 2 times, understand, resolve the same example yourself. Okay, now we will see example 6. See, read yourself, all of you. Example 6, very simple. Diagonal AC of parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. पहले आप parallelogram ABCD ड्रॉ वर्क लीजिए ABCD. ओके, डायगोनल AC bisects angle A. So draw diagonal AC. It bisects angle A. This angle equal to this angle. Yes or no? Then asking show that it bisects angle C also. Then show that this angle equal to this angle. Right? Let us do that first. Given, first write on given. In parallelogram ABCD. Okay, we can number it. 1 equal to 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Right? Now see students, you will see AD equal to BC. Yes or no? What is angle 1 equal to angle 2? Right? Remember, AD equal to BC, 1 equal to 2. Yes, and this AC is common in both triangles. So side, angle side. Are you getting? Side, angle side. Can you prove? These two triangles are congruent. This angle, this side equal to this side. This side equal to this side. So AC equal to AC common. Yes or no? So triangles are congruent. So prove that these triangles are congruent and try your best. Okay, you will try your best. Can you? Just I am waiting for 30 seconds. Let me see how many of you try. Think I will ask a question. Please. Yes. Yes, thought very good. Fine. ABCD is parallelogram. I am numbering 3, 4. So in parallelogram 1 equal to 3. Yes or no? Alternate interior angles. 2 equal to 4. Alternate interior angles. Right? Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. Now see, I am writing. Consider angle 1 equal to angle 2. Given. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 2 equal to angle 4. What support? Alternate interior angles of parallelogram. Number 1, number 2. Now see, 1 equal to 2. If 1 equal to 2, so 3 equal to 4. This implies angle 3 equal to angle 4. And if 3 equal to 4 means AC bisects angle C also. This implies AC bisects angle C also. Very simple. No need to show triangles forward directly. Now we are going to show it is rhombus. See students, all of you, look here. From here only we have got 1 equal to 2, so 3 equal to 4. If 1 equal to 2, so 1 equal to 4. Yes or no? If 1 equal to 2, then 2 equal to 3. Right? See now from 2 and 1, angle 1 equal to angle 4. If 1 equal to 4, so side AD equal to side DC. This implies AD equal to DC. What is support? Sides opposite to equivalent. Sides opposite to equal angles. In any triangle, you are knowing students, in any triangle, if these angles are equal, they are base angles, then these sides are equal. Yes or similarly, if this angle equal to this angle, then its opposite sides are equal. And see, angle Yes, 2 equal to angle 3 implies yes, AB equal to BC. Same support sides opposite to equal angles. Got it? Now students see, AD equal to BC opposite side. AB equal to CD opposite sides. If AD equal to BC, AD equal to CD means CD equal to BC. Yes or no? AD equal to BC opposite sides. Got it? Now see, I am writing AD equal to BC and AB equal to CD opposite sides of parallelogram. You are given ABCD is parallelogram. You are given ABCD is parallelogram. So this implies AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Because we prove AD equal to CD, AD equal to CD, AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC. Therefore, all four sides are equal. And any quadrilateral, all four sides are equal, then it is rhombus. This implies that quadrilateral ABCD is rhombus. Got it? Understood? Students, please see the video 2 times, watch, understand and resolve again. Okay, for any doubt you can ask me. Right children? See you.